जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 14th श्लोक. गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, Atma is pure, but Atma got a body. Why did Atma got a body? Because of previous karma, because of the karma from previous birth. That is why people thinks that those who does not have a clear understanding about Atma, they think that body itself is Atma, because Atma never stays without a body. That is why people thinks that body itself is Atma. Just like when an iron piece burns in the fire and becomes very red, it looks like iron piece itself is fire. To that extent it burns. So we cannot identify iron piece as different from the fire. So also, because Atma is always with body, that is why it feels like body itself is Atma. And also they relate all those works done by body, they relate those works, they relate those karma to Atma. In fact, Atma is not connected to the works which are done by body. Atma is not an agent of those works, and Atma is not connected to the fruits which are coming out of those works. All these works, all these fruits, everything is being done by because of Prakriti and because of body, because of previous impressions. Like this, Krishna Paramatma helping us understand about the purity of Atma, about the purity of ourselves, that is Atma. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Na kartrutvam na karmani lokasya srujati prabhuhu na karma phala sanyogam svabhavastu pravartate. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, You will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading your message, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Paramatma's Vaibhavam to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, no one is able to understand, realize Paramatma's effulgence in total. Not only us, Narada, Gayan, Gunan, Desa Setanana, Adidevaha, Sesho Dhunapi. Even Adisesha, the one who has 1,000 faces, that Adisesha, even while praising Paramatma's divine attributes with his 2,000 tongues, every time he will be praising and he will be singing the glory of Paramatma. Even that Adisesha also would not be able to see the end of all the gunas of Paramatma, all the attributes of Paramatma. Such is Paramatma's unlimited power, unlimited supremacy. Not only that, O Narada, instead of trying to do that, it is better sarvatmanashraya pado. It is better without thinking anything, unconditionally. If we surrender to Paramatma, then Dayamayudu, Sarojana Bhundu, Anchita Dayatodi, Nishkapata Chittamunang Karuninchu. Then Paramatma will bless us with his blessings only. We will be able to get rid of I and mine feelings, ahankaram, mamakaram, and we will be able to detach from this body. This body We do not know what happens in the end. Sva Srugala Bhakshye. Whether this body is going to be eaten by dogs or jackals, we don't know. Such is the body. We should not be having so much of attachment to this body. But it is not easy to be detached. It has to be done. It has to be happening only with the Paramatma's Anugraham. Oh Narada, now with Paramatma's Anugraham, myself and you, Rudra, Sanaka Sananda, Prahlada, Swayambhuva Manuvu, his wife Setarupa, Dhruva, we all got enough fortunate, enough blessed to understand Paramatma's divinity. Not only that, Narada, Ikshvaku, Muchukunda, Videha, Gadhi, Ambarisha, Sagara, Bhishma, Dilipa, Gaya, Yayati, Mandhata, Alarka, Rantideva. All these kings also, with Bhagavan's Anugraham, they were able to understand Paramatma's miraculous activities. Not only that, there are some devotees like Saubhari, Udanka, Sibhi, Devala, Prahlada, Uddhava, Parasara, Bhurishena, Vibhishana, Hanuman, Vidura, Sitadeva. All these devotees also got enough blessed to understand Paramatma. Oh Narada, those devotees who are continuously, constantly engaged in praising Paramatma's divine names, they are continuously, constantly engaged in Paramatma's service. Such are the great devotees. Now, by just having a small connection with those devotees, even animals also can get rid of this cycle of birth and death. That is the power of great bhaktas. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining, describing Paramatma's Vaibhavam and also Bhaktas Vaibhavam to Narada Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Amnayabhyasanani Aranyaruditam Vedavratani Anvaham Medaschedaphalani Purtavidhayaha Sarve Hutam Bhasmani Tirdhanam Avagahanani cha Gajasnanam Vinayatpada Dvandvam Bhoruha Samsmrutihi Vijayate Devassanarayanaha. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 5th chapter 14th sloka. Na kartrutvam na karmani lokasya srujati prabhuhu na karma phala sanyogam స్వభావస్తు ప్రవర్తతే. న కర్తృత్వం న కర్మాణి లోకస్య సృజతి ప్రభుః న కర్మఫల సంయోగం స్వభావస్తు ప్రవర్తతే. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.